Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to split and combine large files and folders using WinRar. Right-click Folders, Add to Archive. Select Archive format is RAR. Type split size. Click OK. Files and folder splitting started. Splitting completed. Open first part of the RAR file. Click Extract to. Select the destination folder. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.